suspect vehicle is a black BMW.
Oh, I'm gonna get freaking blinded by the sun. I'm gonna put on my sunglasses. You guys don't need your sunglasses. You're not driving. We're good. How's the battery? Also good. This thing is cool, man. I like this camera. I have music echoing in my head because my job plays music over the speakers. I don't even know what it is I'm hearing, but it's like on the edge of my hearing. It's what it feels like. Oh, geez. Can that turn green before the cicadas eat us alive? There we go. People are gonna get mad at me as I slow down. I know they are. You realize I'm not done slowing down, sir. There you go, you figured it out. Trying to slow down to the damn speed limit. What is that? A Jeep. Is that a Compass? Taillights look like the top of a screw. I feel like I need a giant screwdriver to remove those. Well, this was largely uneventful. I didn't even see anyone else get pulled over. What the heck? Everyone's on their best behavior when the camera's on? That's no fun. Well, it's a good thing I have my sunglasses on. I wonder if you guys can see anything. Another freaking train. It just must be the time of the day. How am I timing it so perfectly lately? To see so many trains, usually that doesn't happen. It must be the time of day.
The next day.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning to you. Welcome back to another clip of Free Roam. I freed up a whole bunch of space on the camera yesterday, so we're good. We're good. But I thought I'd just start recording before we get to the interesting part, which is driving in the St. Louis area. We're about to cross the border into enemy territory. We're about to go into no man's land. No man's land. You find yourself crossing the McKinley Bridge into St. Louis. Keep your guard up. People here drive like animals. Why is that my favorite voice? Why do I like to do the really deep and foreboding voice? It's like my favorite. I guess it's just so easy to do that it's my favorite one. I think it's very similar to Pinhead. I don't know if any of you are familiar with that character, or the Emperor from Star Wars: The Old Republic. I did not get a great night's sleep. I'm not gonna lie to you. I went to bed at 2:30 and I woke up at 6:50. Well, the last time I looked at the clock, it was 2:30. Who knows when I actually went to sleep. Oh! We got slow-moving traffic. Well, vague on the inside lane anyways. Why is it all so slow-moving over here? Is this where having a sports car is going to be good for me? No, it's just a little short stretch. I don't need to do anything stupid. Horsepower! Yeah! I got the power! Watch out, Hyundai! Let's not end up on the news, please. Jesus Christ. Spatial awareness, people. Goddamn phone. Stay upright, please. Please keep all limbs and sexual appendages inside the vehicle at all times. Keep phones upright, but on silent unless if the button is broken, like on mine, in which case, my condolences, and just shut up and enjoy the flight. I'm willing to bet one of the comments is just gonna be, sounds like a Ryanair flight or something. I've never been on a Ryanair flight. What airlines have I been on? I've been on United Airlines, obviously. They're everywhere. I've been on American Airlines. I think I've been on Southwest at least once. And then South Africa Airlines, of course. British Airways. There's Singapore Airlines. That's a nice airline. That's 6. Are there any I'm forgetting? I can't remember. 6 airlines at least. If there's one more, it'll be something that's like a a more regional thing for like a specific country, but I just don't remember what it would be. I don't think the Netherlands has their own airline. We've already mentioned Singapore. I'm trying to think of all the countries I've been to, because there's, what would we have used? We might have used British Airways to go to Italy. Scotland? Does Scotland have their own airway? I can't remember if I took a plane or a boat to go to Scotland. I'm pretty sure there's one more, but I can't remember the name. I think it's an American airline. I don't think it's Alaska Airlines. It's something else. It's one of the big, like, North American ones, I think. But I can't remember. List the top 5 North American airline companies.
I found this on the web.
That doesn't help. I can't read while I drive. I'm sure when I think of it, I'll go, oh, that's dumb. I should have known. All right. It's better than caffeine in the morning. It's always so tempting to have caffeine, but I can't. I don't want to risk it. Huh. A hot pink tow truck. Oh, it's like two-tone, almost. I was trying to get out of the left lane, and I basically spiked myself with a Ford Fusion-shaped volleyball. Okay, so I'm very curious, because I'll be filming a Corvette today, but I need to confirm it's on the lot. By the time this video comes out, you'll have already seen the Corvette video, but in the present day of me, at the time of recording, I need to check to make sure it's still there, so I can drive by the dealership and make sure. I couldn't see it, but there was also this dude in the way. I'm kind of low on fuel, so I think we're gonna have to deal with that first. Okay. Well, the bad news is the Corvette was sold. It got sold yesterday, which kind of sucks because I had a customer for it, but it is what it is. I guess I should have asked them to put a deposit on it. I'm not wearing a seatbelt. What the hell? What the hell's wrong with me? But anyways, I was able to film a different car, a car I was actually even more interested in, but I did save the script for the Corvette, so if I ever come across another one, I'll be able to do it.